Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the molecular geometry of methylium cation. It has a chemical formula of CH₃+, and for that, we'll look at its Lewis structure first. While determining the molecular geometry of any molecule, the configuration of central atom plays an important part. So we must always note down the number of lone pairs and bond pairs attached to the central atom. Here, carbon is the central atom, which is forming 3 single bonds with 3 hydrogen atoms and has no lone pair of electron on it. If we look at its structure in 3D, we can see that the structure of methylium ion is trigonal planar, and it is confirmed that by referring to this table. Here, A stands for central atom, X is the number of atoms attached to the central atom, and N is the lone pair of electron on central atom. We have carbon as central atom, there are 3 atoms attached to it and no lone pair, which gives us a general formula of AX3, and that gives us a molecular shape of trigonal planar, and it refers to hybridization as sp2. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.